What's up guys, it's Desert Bug Out back with another video. This time it's going to be the Beretta M93R, or is it M? Or it might be just 93R, but anyways, it's the Beretta 93R, also known as the Raffica. Another half scale, or 2.05 scale. I'm just gonna start saying half scale because they're pretty much half scale. Pretty much, not completely, but you guys know what's up. So anyhow, this is the Raffica. This is I don't know if you guys ever heard of one of these in real life, but these are a fully automatic pistol that Beretta made that shoots 3-round bursts. It's pretty cool. Look up some videos on YouTube of the real ones. They're actually pretty cool. But yeah, so this is a little half-scale replica of one of those. It's got the little handle here in the front. The thumb piece is extended so that you can put your thumb in and hold the handle like this. And it has a stock, I guess, so to keep it steady while it's firing. It's a folding stock, and I'll show you. It's a removable folding stock, so you can remove it. You pull this to release that right there, to remove it from here, and then this one you pull forward and you can fold it just like that. And then the pistol looks like this. It looks pretty similar to the 92R or the M9. It's kind of similar, just a little bit different, but pretty much. It's got rounds, dummy rounds. It's got an extended magazine. Now this mag will not fit in the Alloy Empire Berettas or anything like that. It's strictly for this one. Also, you can, oops, let's see, this one got jammed a little bit. Oops, jammed again. Okay, so it's shell eject. Kind of had to, I don't know, it's finicky, but anyways, it's supposed to be shell eject. But it's pretty dope. It originally comes with yellow grips. It's like really plasticky looking yellow grips. But what I did was I just went ahead and painted mine. Plus I sprayed them with Plasti Dip to give them a rubbery feel. But just a heads up, if you do take these off and paint them, number one, be careful. There's a spring over here on this side that can pop out on you. But anytime you take apart any of these little things, pull everything apart slowly, just in case there's a spring somewhere you don't know about and it could pop off and be gone forever. So this one, there's a spring. I know for sure there's a spring over here right under this that can pop off easily, and you don't want that to happen. Also, if you take these grips off to paint them or whatever, I highly suggest on the underside of the grip itself, line it with like some tape or something just to give it a more stiffer feel, because they're really thin, and you can tell by how thin they are that they would crack easily. So just line the inside with, I just lined the inside with like some gaff tape or something, duct tape or something like a thick tape, just to give it some more substance. But yeah, so I didn't know that until I found out the hard way, and when I squeezed it, I heard a little bit of a crack and was like, oh crap. So that's what I did. So just a heads up, if you have one of these, even if you're not gonna paint it, if I was you, I mean, I would put, I don't know, it depends on how you feel about that spring, the possibility of losing a spring. But if it was me, I mean, I would just pull it off and line the inside and put it back on. But anyways, I didn't like the yellow grips, so I just painted them black. But yes, and it's like a darker chrome color with the exception of the barrel. The barrel is regular chrome. And let me see if it breaks down. I don't think I've ever broken this one down. Oh yeah, it looks just like the Beretta, actually. Let's see. Maybe I shouldn't mess with that. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't have. Let's take this. Looks like it needs to be turned. I don't know if you guys can see that little piece right there, but it looks like it needs to be turned, and then oh, there's a little groove inside there for it to go in. Let's see if I can get it. Ooh, I've gone far. Oh, it looks like it's 2 springs on it. Haven't seen that before. But anyways, there's a groove right there that this little piece goes into. So let's go ahead and put that back in, and then not mess with it. There we go. Got that back in. Didn't know it had 2 springs, but now you know. Now you know. We all know. Take the mag out. But yeah, that's how it looks. Put it back in. Let's see. Oh no. There we go. Got it. But yeah, so that's the Beretta 93R, or is it M93? I don't know. But anyways, it's the Beretta Rafika. Super cool little miniature. See that it has that. It goes into that little hole, and then that piece rests right in there. Boom, just like that. There you have it. The Rafika half scale, or 1:2.05 scale. Anyways, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Tell your friends. Follow me on Instagram at Desert Bug Out, and I have a Facebook group called Miniature Diecast Guns, just so that we can, just people who collect these little miniatures, we can share new news or ideas or little pictures of little projects that everybody's working on. And it's pretty cool. Everybody in there, everybody so far that's in the group is super cool. You know, everybody's friendly, so you know, we don't want no negativity. That's in general, in everything, in my comments too. But anyways, again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more. Peace.